Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. So welcome back with next chapter, Physical Education, chapter 6, part 1. It is part first, and physical activity and leadership training for +1 class. Not a difficult chapter, very easy. Easily you can imagine the thing or you can write the answers properly. So in the beginning, the word leadership. If we talk about a leader, one name, I saw in our country, one name that of our PM, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, or he is leading our country very efficiently. Some impact is there cause of that COVID-19, cause of that slowdown in economy, but other hand, if we talk about that, he is leading very efficiently. Even lots of difficult time he saw, but he managed the things. But criticism also go on the other hand, or it is necessary, because criticism always bring the good decisions. Okay, criticism brings the lackness of the decisions also. Leadership, the person, we can say, who can lead a group, whose impact on a group at a very high level, means people follow him. A person, individual having some traits that he can influence the people through his thoughts, through his body language, through his personality, through what he is speaking in front of the group. These are some traits of the leadership. But everybody is not having these type of the traits. Only few people are there in the world who can lead a large number of people easily. Another example we can take like Barack Obama. Okay, the former US president, 2 times continuous, he was the president of United States of America. Leadership, one definition is given in your book, like I am not afraid. It is I am not afraid. I am not afraid of an army, I am not afraid of an army of lion, lion या lions, led by sheep. Okay, led by sheep. Here what he is speaking के मैं नहीं डरता किस आर्मी से, शेरों की एक फौज से, जो कि किसके द्वारा लीड की जा रही है, शीप, भेड़ के द्वारा. सेकेंड ही इज सेइंग आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ एन आर्मी ऑफ शीप्स led by a lion. You know that lion, we are calling him that king of the forest. Okay, so what here he is saying, I am not afraid of an army of lions, means शेरों की एक सेना का डर नहीं है, जो किसके द्वारा लीड की जा रही है, led by a sheep. I am afraid of an army of sheep led by the lion, because leadership traits कहाँ है, lion, शेर के अंदर है. और that leadership have a traits to make all the sheep to make their behavior like a lion when they are in the critical situation, when they are going to fight against the enemy, or we can say against the lies. Okay, same thing, but here we are talking about the leadership regarding we will attach it with the sports. A recent example in front of you is that Mahendra Singh Dhoni. who was the captain of Indian cricket team. Under his captaincy, Indian team won the T20 World Cup in 2007. After that, ICC Champions Trophy we won. After that, One Day International World Cup also we won. So these wins by Indian teams under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Reason, because he know how to lead a team. He know how to lead a particular group of the members. Okay, so these some traits are having in Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Same thing, another hand we can take about Sachin Tendulkar. He was a great cricketer, even known as he known in India as a god of a cricket, known as Sachin Tendulkar. But Sachin Tendulkar is not a good leader. He is not a good captain as compared to the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So some traits, some personality traits are different. Even some things we can say that about Virat Kohli also. He also leading a team very nicely. Rohit Sharma also having, but not much like Virat Kohli, or not Virat Kohli also not having a trait like a Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Same example if we talk about the political side, like Rahul Gandhi, other hand that Narendra Modi. So difference is there. Okay, so these traits are making a person leader, to that how they can influence the people, how they are speaking in front of the people. Speaking trait, if I talk about what people want to listen, if that thing I am speaking in front of them, automatically they like that he is the leader who is talking in our favor, he is the leader who is talking what we want. The same thing our PMO is speaking when he is in the rallies. Okay, that's why people influence. Means speaking, यानी बोलने की कला हर किसी में नहीं है. Okay, but if we talk about the we can say leader importance also, we can say traits in the leaders. Okay, so these quality of the leaders, many thing will come in front of us. If we talk about the meaning of leadership extend. Extends as mean to whom we can say he is a leader. First point is to guide a person or group. To guide a person or group efficiently. Okay, to guide a person or group efficiently. So a leader having this trait also. To direct a group with authority. With authority. To direct a group with authority. To have good control. Good control over, to have good control with over management. Okay, management. Another hand we can say good supervision. Good supervision, or we can say supervisor. Means these things, if a person having like he is doing these things properly, then we can say he is a leader. like in your book is given leadership performing physical activity in actually a task of challenging the physical and mental constraint on a daily basis. In doing so, the self control on the body and mind improves immensely. Means our physical activity or our mental activity, if they are controlled, means what is the demand from outside, according to that we are showing ourselves, is called also discipline. Means what is the situation? Suppose the situation is like a class is going on, teacher is teaching you, but you are talking, you are looking here and there, some are running here and there, some are going outside, some are coming from outside inside. If these activity, it means uncontrolled activity. But the person who is having control over his scattered mind, means he know that situation is teacher is teaching us, or we have to totally concentrate on the board, or we have to learn what he is teaching. Okay. Another hand, if I talk about mental ability or mental activity, means concentration. What teacher is teaching, our concentration is over there, it means it is perfect. Other hand side, if our scattered mind go here and there, someone is calling from backside, we are talking with him, who is going from outside in the corridor, we are looking outside, okay, which type of sound come from outside, that is also. But it is we can say a example of mental or physical activity. These things must be in the leader also, in students also, but we are talking about the leaders. But if my style, my way, my method is efficient, means I am interacting with you this much deeper, then you have totally interest what the topic I am teaching you on the board or orally or verbally, whatever it is. So these things also make a leader good, or we can say influenced. Okay, it is also a trait of a good leader. Means 40 minutes, suppose I told you that you have to maintain 40 students for the 40 minutes. One thing is that I am standing in the class, or I am implementing, I am pressurizing you, don't talk, do this, do that. But with my knowledge, with my guts, with my skills, with my personality, if I am influenced you, if I am able to concentrate, your concentration bring on my topic, so it means a individual is having a leadership traits. Okay, means control the physical or mental ability. But if we talk about a discipline, what is discipline? According to the demand, according to the situation, our control behavior is called discipline. उछल कूद कौन नहीं करता? I also want to do like to enjoy a lot. But when I come in school, my behavior must be according to the school decorum. What is the rule and regulation set by the management for the school? My behavior must be according to that rules and regulation. But another hand, if I go in the park, if I go in the water park, or same discipline I am implementing, hey, like swim properly, swim in line, okay, it will not work over there, because it is a park for enjoyment, you came here. Okay, so according to park, you know, last time we went in the water park, we also enjoy there, you also enjoy, because situation was there. What is the demand of the water park? To enjoy a lot. Okay, whenever we are sitting in the meeting, we have to sit quiet, or we have to listen the management. When teacher is teaching you, your duty is to sit quiet and listen the teacher properly. Okay, these are the traits. But influence of the upper level person, upper level personality who is leading us, if he having our traits, he having a guts to bring your concentration properly, to interact with you properly, means deeply interaction with individual or with a group of people, it is called a leadership. Okay, leadership. In physical education and sports, we are talking about the leadership. You know, when there is a team game, we need a leader who known as the captain of the team. After the coach, that captain is managing the team during the games and match. Some physical activity also, through which activity we can improve the leadership traits in the individual. That things we will talk in this chapter. But till this, it is what is leadership, or what is the work through that we can tell a individual he is a leader. Okay. In next topic, we will do the quality of the leaders in part 1, this much. So check all the videos properly. If any doubt, you can send me on the group. If any other problem regarding, we can say, Not regarding with study, then contact to reception. If regarding study, then you can send me the questions in the group, or you can ask frankly. Okay, don't feel shy, or check all the videos properly. Regarding notebook, some boys were asking to me. It is up to you. From my side, you are free. Okay, it is up to you. If you have a time, if you have an interest, you know some important topics are there, so you can make a notebook. Otherwise, you have to learn, or you have to read the books properly, highlight the things, important things or lines you have to highlight with highlighter, or during when exam will come near, some matter I will provide you, or other work you have to do from yourself. So for today, dear student, this much. We'll see you in the next part. In next part, we will do the quality of the leader. Okay, quality of a leader. So तब तक के लिए thank you. Take care of your health.